Okay, now I will explain more on the image compression, how you will apply RLE on image. Okay, where you have a binary image. Okay, so this is the binary image which consists of 0 and 1. Okay, as been mentioned, it can either represent as a 0 or 1. Okay, so for example here, if you have a 0 run, okay, so 0 run means you will count the number of 0 first. Okay, for example 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so first row will be 8 zeros. Second, so since it start with 1, okay, so there will be no 0 here. So that's why the second row we will write it as 0 because there is no 0 on the first column. Then you continue calculate the 1, 4 and 4 0. So the third row will be the same, okay, where it will start with 0, so there will be no problem. Where the third row will be 1, 2 and 4. So going to the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh row. So 7th row, so it start with 1. Then there will be first column, there will be no 0. So you have to write the 0 first. Then 0, then you count the number of 1, which is 4, 1, 1 and 0. So this example is for the horizontal wise, where you will count row by row. If it is vertically, then you will count column by column. So for example here, so if we're still in zeros 1, then you will search for the 0 count first. Okay, so the first column, okay, if it is in vertically, so first will be 1, okay, and then 1, 3, 4, because there will be 4 0, and then 1 and 1. So this is the first column. Second column will be 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, and so on. So it is either horizontal or vertical. If horizontal, then you count row by row. If vertical, you count column by column. Okay? So if the run is 1, okay, let's go back to the horizontal wise. Okay, as an example, 1. If it is 1 run, okay, so you search for the 1 first. So this is the horizontal. Okay, then there is no 1 on the first column. So 0, 8, because there are 8 zeros. So second, okay, 4, 4. First row, second row. Third row, no 1. Okay, so 0. 1, 2, and 5. So fourth, 0, 5, 2. Okay, and the last one will be so the seventh row, it started with 1. Then you just count it as 4, 1, 1, 2. Okay, so the important in image compression, you have to identify whether it is horizontal or vertically. If horizontal, then you have to count row by row. If vertically, you have to count column by column. And also you have to you have to get the run. Either it is 0 or 1. Okay, if it is 0, then you have to count, the first have to be 0. If it is 1, then you start with 0. If start with 0, then you just count it how many 0. If start with 1, then the first will be 0, and then continue with the run of 1, 4, and the run of 4, 4. Okay, so that's all.